realm of riddles.
You grew up in a poor family. When you were young, your father came home one day with his watch broken, blocking the time at 3 o'clock. You asked him how he broke it, but he told you.
You will understand one day. Don't be afraid to break a wall.
Your father has now sadly passed away, and his broken watch was given to you. You look at the back of it, and it has a floor plan with a room circled and a letter N at the middle of one wall. You remember what your father told you when you were young. What did your father want you to do? Pause the video now to solve the riddle for yourself. You went to the room circled on the back of your father's watch. The letter N is at the middle of one wall and represents the north, which is also 12 o'clock on a watch. Your father broke the watch while it was pointing at 3 o'clock, so that is the direction in which you must break the wall. You break the wall and find $100,000 behind it. Your father is there for you, even after he is gone, it seems.